Hey there, foodies and tech-savvy folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest features to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling how to pay later with Uber Eats in 2025. If you're tired of paying upfront for your favorite meals, this update is a game changer. It lets you order now and spread out your payments over time, perfect for budgeting in a fast-paced world. First things first, make sure you have the latest Uber Eats app installed on your phone. It's been upgraded for 2025 with smoother interfaces and more payment options. Open the app and start by browsing or searching for your go-to restaurant. Add your delicious items to the cart just like you normally would. Now, here's where the magic happens. When you head to the checkout page, look for the Payment Methods section. You'll see a new option labeled Pay Later. Tap on that, and it will prompt you to review the details. Uber Eats has partnered with financial services to offer flexible plans, like paying in installments over 4 to 12 weeks, depending on your location and eligibility. Once you select Pay Later, you'll need to verify your identity quickly, maybe with a fingerprint scan or a quick link to your bank account. Then, choose your payment schedule. For example, you could opt for bi-weekly deductions from your linked card. Hit Confirm, and voila, your order is on its way. A few tips to keep in mind. Always check for any interest fees associated with the plan. In 2025, these are often minimal if you pay on time. Make sure you're eligible. Most users over 18 with a good payment history can use it. And remember, you can manage your installments right in the app under the Payments tab. There you have it, folks. Paying later with Uber Eats is straightforward and super helpful for those unexpected cravings. Give it a try on your next order and let us know in the comments how it goes. If you enjoyed this tutorial, smash that like button and subscribe for more tech tips and food hacks. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.